Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is good and safe. And today myself, Dr. Gagan from Gagan Dental and Cosmetic Clinic is here to guide you about dental hygiene of kids. Because our kids are really important to us and we really take care of them. But taking care of their teeth is at utmost importance in today's scenario, because in my daily routine I see one child patient coming up with the problem that their permanent teeth are out and still the milk teeth is inside and it has not shedded out by itself. There is a natural process in our body that the milk teeth comes out by itself, but because of the I think it is just because of our eating habits, like we are not having apple from the front or carrot, and the more of the junk food and more of the soft diet is there, so that by the natural resorption of teeth is not there and naturally the milk teeth is not out. And when there is both scenario, the permanent and the milk teeth both are in our mouth, and we get anxious and we visit dentist, and that what is this happening. So in that case we need to remove that milk teeth by the artificial process of extraction. Then to take care of it, you can just ask your kids to take care and have apple, carrot. They can bite from the front, and still if it happens, just check it out before the permanent teeth is fully erupted and visit your dentist soon. And the other important tip to take care of your kids' health, to prevent them from the cavity and all, what if they are having any sweetener, anything chocolate, toffee, firstly they should avoid, and I know the kids do have it. Just give them a sip of water like this. They need to rinse whole of their oral cavity and take it inside. The purpose of it is that there shouldn't be any sticking at these surfaces. If there is sticking at these surfaces, then it turns into the form of cavity. So it is a very important and very simple tip to take care of your oral hygiene. And rest, for any queries you can contact me or write at the comment section box, and I would be answering them all. Take care, keep smiling, keep rocking.